Hello friends, my name is Anil Singhania and you are watching my YouTube channel Easy Software. Friends, I have received many messages from learner that how we can use Python. So in this particular video, I am going to teach you how you can download Python, how to install it, how to create Python program and how you can run this Python program using three methods. So let's start. Here the first step is to download Python. So open any browser and in the URL type download Python and press enter. Okay, you have to click on this first link and you will get the official website for downloading Python. If you want to download and install the latest version of Python, then you have to click on this button. But if you want to download and install the another lower version of Python, then you have to visit on this download. And if you are using Windows operating system, then you click on this Windows. You will get the all the list of Python here. Here you have to pay some more attention that which one you have to click to install Python software into your system. So if your system is 64-bit operating system, then you have to click on this link like x86-64. But if your system is 32-bit operating system, then you have to click on this link like x86. For example, if I want to install 3.7.7 version into my system and my system is 64-bit operating system, then I have to click on this link. But if your system is 32-bit operating system, then you have to click on this link. So I am going to download the latest version, so I would like to click on this button and wait for some time. Okay, now we can see that it is downloaded successfully into my system. So first step is done. Now I am going to tell you how you can install this downloaded Python into your system. So open Drive and click on download, and here you will get the exe of this software. So double click on it. Don't forget to check this check button, and after this click on install now. It will take some time to install this software into your system, so just wait for some seconds. Now here we get a message that setup was successful. Now second step is also done. Now it's time to create and run Python program. So go to a start and type IDLE, and you have to click on this, and I am going to write the first Python program here. So I will type print. It is a predefined function, and here hello Python. This is the first program. To run this program, just press enter and you will get output of this program here. Now I am going to create a second program of addition. So I will take a single variable a and will assign a, another variable b, and I will assign 20, and a third variable to store the addition operation. Okay, so I will write here a plus b. Now it's time to print this. So I will write add equal to just a single comma and variable c. Now program is done. To run this program, just press enter. This is the first method to create and run Python program. Now I am going to teach you the second method. So click on this file and new file. Here we have to write the complete program first. So I will write a equals to 10, b equals to 20, and c equals to a plus b, and add equals to comma c. Okay, the program is done. Now it's time to run this program. So I will click here run and select run module 5. Okay, to run this program we have to first store this program into a system. So here I will select E drive, and here I will create a folder Python program and press enter. Now just double click on it and put a name for this file. So I will write here program. Okay, now save it. After this you will get a message which is the output of this program. This is the second method of creating and running the Python program. Now I am going to teach you the third method, which is command prompt based. So just open command prompt cmd. Okay, now our program file is stored in E drive and folder name Python program. So first we need to go inside the directory. So our program is in E drive. So here type the drive name and press colon and press enter. Okay, now it's time to go inside the folder name. So our folder name is Python program. So here I will type cd, means change directory, and just type Python program. It is the folder name. Okay, now press enter. Now it's time to run this file. Okay, so I will just write program.py. Just press enter to execute this file. Now this is the third method of creating the Python program and running. So if you have any doubt regarding this video, then please let me know by comment. I will definitely fix it. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching this video.